Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the sound and speaker issue in your device OnePlus Nord 2. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus Nord 2 you are having issue related to the sound or the speaker of your device, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the speaker problem and sound problem in your device OnePlus Nord 2. Let's watch it.